XLM's price is going to be $70,000 by the end of 2023. In fact, in today's video, we're going to be answering some of the craziest questions like, will there be an XLM buyback? Is it possible that XLM is going to outperform Bitcoin? And last but not least, the biggest question of all, what is the price of XLM by the end of 2023? All of this is going to take place in this one exciting video, but before we get right into it, I want to remind you guys to please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel with your post notifications on, and more importantly, share the video to your friends and family, as well as drop a comment in the comment section below because I'll be reading and responding to every single comment. Alright, let's start off easy, answering the question of, is an XLM possible buyback actually a possibility, and will the government or the Federal Reserve actually buy the XLM back from you? So here's the answer that we were given by this AI system. Now we all have to understand this is an AI system, so it knows quite a lot because it bases its information on research. And so let's have a quick read for what it says. So it says a buyback is when a company repurchases its own outstanding shares from investors. This can lead to a decrease in the number of shares outstanding and an increase in the value of the remaining shares, which can benefit shareholders. However, it's important to note that a buyback doesn't always guarantee an increase in share value, and it's not the only factor that affects a stock's price. Now, it says that within regards to XLM specifically, there isn't much information as to whether there is a possible buyback or not. However, you may want to keep an eye out on the news and updates from the Stellar Development Foundation, also known as SDF, which oversees the development of the Stellar network and the XLM token. The SDF may release information regarding any plan for buybacks or any other developments that could affect the XLM token. Additionally, it's always a good idea to do your own research and consult with a financial advisor. So is it possible that the Federal Reserve is going to buy back your XLM? Yes. Is it likely? Well, we don't really know as of now. But this brings us on to an even more exciting question that we are going to have answered for you guys, which is, will Bitcoin always be higher than XLM, or will XLM outperform Bitcoin in terms of growth? And alright, so it starts off by telling us that basically it's an AI and it cannot predict the future movement for either Bitcoin or XLM with certainty, but there are things that it can predict. Now, it does mention that there are a wide range of market and economic factors that will play around the price of both XLM and Bitcoin. However, he can provide some information with regards to those cryptocurrencies that will be helpful. Now, of course, it says Bitcoin is the largest and most well-known cryptocurrency with a market capitalization that's significantly higher of that of XLM's, which I think is quite obvious here. Bitcoin's market capitalization has been driven by its widespread adoption and acceptance as a means of payment and investment, as well as its limited supply, which has created a sense of scarcity and driven up its value over time. It also highlights the fact that XLM, on the other hand, is a relatively newer cryptocurrency created in 2014 and is designated and designed to facilitate fast and low-cost transactions. It has gained popularity, but it has gained its popularity as a means of cross-border payments and remittances. The capitalization for XLM's market is currently lower than that of Bitcoin's, but it has shown some strong growth potential in the last couple of years. And so it concludes his statements by saying the fact that while it is difficult to predict whether Bitcoin will always be higher than XLM, it is clear that Bitcoin has a significant head start in terms of the market adoption and acceptance, which may make it more stable and a reliable investment over the long term. However, XLM's unique features and growing popularity may offer some attractive opportunities for investors looking for high growth potential. Ultimately, the decision to invest in either Bitcoin or XLM should be based on a thorough understanding of their respective strengths and weaknesses, as well as your own investment goals and risk tolerance. Basically, guys, to summarize it, basically, as of this point in time, it is unsure, but we do see a direct path where there will come a day, one day, that XLM goes and actually surpasses not just the market capitalization of Bitcoin, but even Bitcoin in terms of price value. Now, there isn't an exact timeline, which is why I can't tell you when it's going to happen or what price point or any type of thing like this. But what I can say is, along with many other cryptocurrencies like XLM, XRP, for example, all of those coins that are absolutely booming in the market right now, that have all the utility, that are getting massively adopted by these financial institutions. Most of the coins out there that are part of the ISO 222 compliant coins are going to surpass the market cap and the price of Bitcoin. So again, when we talk about XLM, which is part of the ISO 222 compliant coins that is going to be integrated into these financial institutions, into the SWIFT system, we have to understand that XLM is going to, go ahead and surpass Bitcoin one day, whether that that is in a month, a year, 5 years, 10 years, we're not sure, but we know that it will eventually do so. Now, before we answer, can XLM's price be $70,000 by the end of 2023? Let's real quickly remind you guys of Metalcryptcom, where you can buy your own personalized metal crypto coins, including your stellar XLM coin that we're literally talking about possibly reaching $70,000 by the end of this year. Just imagine that. And you can have it in your physical hand in gold or silver, whatever you personally like. It looks so freaking fantastic, and I definitely recommend that you guys have a look at it and get yourself one of them. Metalcryptcom also has a ton of other crypto coins, like the XRP crypto coin with case, which looks also fantastic, comes in gold and silver as well. USDT, Shiba Inu, a newer style Ripple XRP coin with case. Of course, they have multiple styles. They have a ton of coins as well, like Polkadot, Litecoin, SafeMoon, Dogecoin, Cardano, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and a ton of other ones, and they're consistently adding all the new cryptocurrencies. And so I definitely recommend you guys check them out, and you get yourself the juicy Stellar XLM coin. You'll actually get 10% off if you do use the link in the description, so take advantage of that. And that being said, let's get right back into the video. Finally, the time has come to answer the question if XLM could actually hit $70,000 by the end of 2023 or by the end of this year. And here's the exact answer. So again, it goes through the fact that it is an AI system, it cannot predict the future and all of that stuff, but ignore all of that because it actually gives us the price prediction, whether it's a yes or no. So this is the price of XLM Stellar Lumens at the end of 2023 will depend on various factors, such as the market demand adoption, regulatory clarity, regulatory development, competition, and the overall market condition. But this is where things get really, really interesting. It says, while it is rhetorically possible for XLM to reach $70,000 or $69,283 by the end of 2023, it is very important to know that the cryptocurrency market is highly volatile and unpredictable. Therefore, any price prediction should be taken with caution and should be based on a thorough analysis of the market trends and the fundamental factors that affect the price of XLM. It is recommended that you do your own research and consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. This is freaking crazy. We just got a prediction by ChatGPT that states that XLM is going to hit or could possibly hit $70,000 by the end of 2023. This is mind-blowing. Specifically, when we look at the price of XLM right now, and it's priced at 9 cents. Imagine this cryptocurrency going from 9 cents to $70,000 in 12 months. The amount of money would be absolutely massive, and that's why I'm personally investing in XLM. I do see a lot of potential in it. I don't 100% agree with the fact that it's going to hit $70,000, but I do think that we can see it hit its all-time high by the end of this year. In fact, the potential for Stellar XLM is absolutely massive because once again, it is an ISO 222 compliant coin, means it is going to be integrated into all the financial institutions. Now, there are a very limited amount of coins that are actually ISO 222 compliant, about 8 of them, and Stellar XLM is one. So that is a very good thing for this crypto coin. I think it's quite safe to say now that XLM has to be one of the better cryptocurrencies out there with real utility, and they also have a ton of partnerships with Stellar and a bunch of companies. As you guys can see here, here's just a few of their loads of different companies that Stellar is partnered with, like CoinQuest, C Currency, Circle, ClickPizza, MoneyGram, which again a major firm that a lot of people know, MoneyGram for transferring payments, Satoshi Pay, Latimac, Von Dehydrate, and so many others. You can also tell that they have a very decent volume here with over 14.361 million, over 57,000 active accounts, and 12.918 million in operations. And this is all in the last 24 hours. And that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy this video. Make sure you guys go ahead and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow me on Twitter and Instagram as well. Twitter is CryptoGeekNews, Instagram is CryptoGeekYT, and of course make sure you subscribe to the channel because we're trying to hit 20,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Share the video, smash the like button, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next Crypto Geek video. Peace.